2-day historic Jopadhola Convention brought together members of the community from Uganda and East Africa, together with their well-wishers. Although he was not able to preside over the first ever convention of the 3.2 million Jopadhola community due to ill health, in a speech read on his behalf, Jopadhola Moses Owor urged his people to enhance the spirit of cooperation in cultural, social and economic spheres with faith and honesty. He castigated those who have intentions of creating associations that are intended to promote their self-interests.
Our strict demand for authenticity of any upcoming organization with the label of the Jopadhola interest. We have every hope that our ongoing engagement with you, the founders of the Jopadhola community, the dialogue will end in satisfactory settlement, ensuring well-guided image and this entity of the entire Jopadhola community everywhere.
Although the convention had no political agenda, the current standoff between the community and their long-time associates, the ATESO, over the administration of Tororo municipality could not go unmentioned.
We should have empowered even the Luo of Kenya to come into Uganda and say the head of state, don't tamper with the Tororo Luo, because that's their fault. You don't need him to be NRM to say that. That's the truth, and it is benchmarked in history.
The person down there in Kwapa or Merikit or Kirewa, or I'll say even Stop, the border counties are between East Budama and West Budama and Tororo municipality. People are working together, and people are living together. And so I think that's the direction we need to take as a people, that everyone needs to identify what it is that they're doing. It should be the right thing, and they should actually pursue those things constitutionally and not through rumors and sowing seeds of discord.
Borrowing a leaf from other communities like the Banyachigezi, the Jopadhola Convention has now been earmarked as an annual event, but will be held in any part of Uganda. Emmanuel reporting for Urban Television.